In this video, how to check nat-test exam result worldwide. So open Google Chrome. Now press nat-test.com. Enter. Now you have seen this interface. Now click here result announcement, exam results. Then you have seen success announcement exam result 2022 April N2 N3 N4 N5. Click now your result level. Then you have seen your result worldwide. In this result worldwide, check out the result this page. Or search your result, search your roll number. Click here and your roll number, press your roll number. Then search now, check announcement, exam result, seen your exam result. So you have get how to check nat-test result worldwide. Thank you and subscribe our YouTube channel.